Guys, welcome to Blue's Garden. I want to show y'all a little tip on Bio-Char. This is where we're going to do our garden this year. I got a hole dug with some wood in it. I'm going to burn it. I'm going to do the same concept as the metal barrels with Bio-Char. After I get this pile of wood, I'm going to dig a couple more holes and spread it around and do the same thing. After I get the fire down to its coals, where they're glowing bright red, I'm going to take this pile of dirt my dog is digging in. That's Gus. And I'm going to smother it. And it's going to burn out the coals, and which is going to aerate. It's going to aerate the soil. That's what the Bio-Char does. We're going to till it up. Afterwards, we'll scoop it around a little bit and spread it around. Alright, let me get this fire started. Also, as you can see, I got a little cow bone that my dog brought in here. Let me show it so you can see it. I got a bone right in the middle of it. See it right there? We're going to burn that in there too. It's going to give me some bone meal also, which is great nitrogen for you in your soil. And later on I'm gonna do a video on that. But alright, let's get going. Alright, I got my fire going. One other thing I wanted to tell you was, when you're picking your wood to burn, try to get all even sizes, about the same size, because if you go putting in little sticks and smaller branches and logs, and then you got this big one, and that one's going to take longer to burn, and it's not going to burn like it's supposed to. Alright guys, this is what you're looking for. See all them glowing red coals underneath there? See them all? There's some over there too. I still got a little bit of wood burning. But whenever you're done, whenever all that wood's gone, got them coals underneath there. And I'll smother them with the dirt and burn them out. Alright, hey guys, this is what we're looking for. Is this black coal. It's all mixed in with the dirt. Chunks. See them? These little coal pieces. That's your Bio-Char. I can get some more. Yep, that's what we're going to spread around the garden. There's some bigger chunks over there. But that's what I was doing, was making some Bio-Char. That piece of the bone over there too that you can dig up. It's got a bunch of holes in it, but it turns to dust whenever I touch it. There's the bone. Just dust. You can till that up too. Just some bone meal after you crush it up. But if you like this video, learn anything from it, like my idea, think someone else could do something with it, share it, subscribe if you want to see other videos like this. There's some big old chunks. And thanks for stopping by the Blues Garden.